Ever wanted to create characters that evoke a sense of mystery or stoicism, or maybe just convey a specific emotion without using traditional eyes? First things first, let's open Adobe Animate and create a new document. Remember to set your stage size to suit your projects. Select the appropriate frame rate as well. Now grab the oval tool from the toolbar, or you can use the shortcut key. Hold down the shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. This is your blank eyes base. Draw a circle on the stage. You can adjust the size by selecting the eye's shape and dragging its corners. Adjust the color to suit your character's design. Next, select the shape and go to the fill color in the properties panel on the right. Click on it and select white as the fill color. This will create a blank white eye. Now, duplicate this eye as a new layer. In other words, go to the timeline panel and right-click the layer. Select duplicate layer. You will need to make sure you have two layers for this. Use the free transform tool to resize and position the eye. If you want to create a character with blank eyes, scale down the duplicate eye and create a second one. To animate movement, create a motion tween. Right-click a frame on the timeline and select Create Motion Tween. You can also change the position of the second eye to see movement. And that's it. You've learned the basics of how to create blank eyes in Adobe Animate. Experiment with different sizes, shapes, and movements to create unique character designs. Don't be afraid to get creative. Please like and subscribe for more animation tips.